Today is November 24, Black Friday. So we will be revealing a Black Friday coupon code to get a discount to our membership. Before we do that, we wanted to go over our Cardinal Health trade that is over 300% profit. Okay, so we got into this trade about October 17. Okay, this was the day here. And the video is this video. You can still find it on our channel using the strategy and the analysis we have always been doing. Unusual options activity. All right, so you can take a look at that video, find it on our channel homepage. And in brief, you can see the call options that we discussed on that day, October 17. Here they are at the 95 strikes, expiring December 15. Look at the value of this call option now. This is how much we could sell it back now after buying these call options. This is our position here. Okay. And if you look at the video back on October 17 again, you can see that the price when we originally bought it was $289, right? And so now we can sell it for thousands. So this is the profit loss diagram. You can see that the profit currently at about $869 per call option now, because Cardinal has rallied upwards. It was originally $93, right? So 869 divided by, that's the profit, divided by the 289 is the cost of our trade. You can see that we made 300% profit, exactly that at this moment in time. And so this is it. The stock did not have to move 300% because we used options for leverage. Okay. And so back on October 17, it was trading at about $93. You can see that the stock has only gone up about 14.4%. Today made a new 52-week high of 106, right? And so that is why we are so profitable on this trade, because this is the current share price, 106, right? And that's why the profits are in the 800s, right? So we can sell that back now. So that's how we made this 300% profit. If you want to learn more on how to do that, you can watch that October 17 video. Okay. For our Black Friday deal, okay, because we cannot offer coupon codes on YouTube, what we did is we put up a website to make it easier to do that. And so this is the website that will start to be able to offer also email alerts as well, because on the website we can also provide a newsletter so that we can share this type of unusual options activity through email alerts as well. So this is our website, okay, unusualoption.com. All right. And for the Black Friday code, this is the code, actually Black Friday, okay, to get a discount. Once you go to the checkout process, you just put the promo code in, Black Friday, and you'll see the discount for that. All right. Again, make sure to watch that video. And now that we have a website up, you can also learn more about what we do, because we want to start sharing also email alerts, because making videos do take longer. And whenever we can find out this type of data that is coming out, we can share the analyses and data much quicker through email alerts. So make sure to go to the homepage of our site here, and you can click on the newsletter also to put your email in so that we can share that with you as well. All right. This is the link to the video if you want to learn more on how we use this type of data analysis to make that 300% today. All right. Want to wish everybody happy holidays and have a great weekend.